Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a stop loss in Questrade. A stop loss order is a crucial tool for managing risk in your investments. It automatically triggers a sell order when your security's price drops to a predetermined level, helping to protect your capital. Understanding how to set this up correctly is vital for any trader. We'll walk through the steps to ensure you can implement this strategy effectively and confidently. First, you'll need to log into your Questrade account, whether through the web platform or the desktop application. Once logged in, locate the specific stock or ETF you want to place a stop-loss order on. You can find it in your watch list or within your existing portfolio. After selecting the security, simply click on the Buy or Sell button to bring up the order entry panel, where we'll define our order parameters. Now, within the order entry window, select Sell as your action. For the order type, you'll choose either stop or stop limit. A stop order becomes a market order once triggered, while a stop limit order becomes a limit order. Enter your desired stop price, which is the trigger point. If you chose stop limit, also input your limit price. Finally, specify the number of shares for this order. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the details of your stop-loss order. Double-check the order type, the number of shares, and especially your stop price and limit price if you're using a stop limit. Accuracy here is key to ensuring your investment is protected as intended. Once you are confident everything is correct, click the Confirm or Place Order button to activate your stop-loss protection. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.